Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today ay magsugbatag manok guys. We grill chicken para sa tanghalian guys. So ito doon nagpainit pa tayo ng kalayo dahil hindi pa siya ready. So today guys, ang magandang panahon today guys. Tingnan nyo, walang clouds. Yan, maliit lang clouds guys doon. But dito walang clouds, see, tingnan. Yan, blue na blue sky. Yan guys. So yan magsugba tayo dahil Friday night for dinner. Yan na, almost na. Mag-wait lang tayo ng 3:50. Yan ang aking manok. Ang akin, ang daming soy sauce nilagay ko at saka mayroon ding asin little bit. So yan guys, hindi pa natapos to sa paglinis doon. Ang laki-laki ng mga damo dyan. Yan ang tagas ng damo. Yan, laki ng damo. Yun guys is apple yan guys. At saka doon Redilicious to, tina-transfer ko galing doon, tinanim ko doon, then transfer ko doon. Yan, parang sana mabuhi. Ang dami ng mga kahoy nagay dyan, patay guys. Yan guys, dito malinis na. Yan malinis ko before. Yan, wala nang malaking damo. At saka itong aking mga Redilicious apple. Yan. At saka ang aking garden, malalaki-laki na ang mais doon. Oh, there's daddy, new haircut. There's RJ. Here's RJ. Big bear basement. What do you eat, RJ? Manem. Oh. Okay, here is. What you watching here, RJ? What you watching there?
Hair cutting.
Oh, hair cutting. No, have no light. Hair's dark, RJ here. Dark, RJ. You want to go outside there? Okay, we go outside. Lock that there. Huh? Yeah. Hey guys. Ito malaki ng mga damo dito guys. Need to clean up here. Yan, mga damo. Ang hirap linisin to dahil mayroong cover to dito para hindi tumurok. Maliit pa. Yan ang mais ko. Yan, tumubo na sila. Tumurok na. Yan, at saka doon is onion, sibuyas bombay, o nakoy sibuyas dia namula ka sibuyas bombay. Yan, look at na. Tingnan na natin ang grill. Kung init na ba. Yan, is 350 na. Kaya lagay na natin ang chicken para wapa. Not yet clean. Oh my goodness, not yet clean dahil guys to clean guys. Linis muna tayo. Linis muna guys. Done now.
Got the beans ready to turn on.
Okay.
Just let's sit there for now.
Yan, linis na guys at lagay ko na ang chicken guys. Yun. Ito, ang laki-laki. Ito ang sa akin dahil lagyan ko ng asin. Yan. Merong maliit oh. Lagay natin dito. Yan. Yan guys. Okay. Lagay na natin sa loob to. Ay, nasayop day ko guys. Pang hapunan pala guys. Hindi pang tanghalian. Hapunan pala. Ito ang aking niloto guys. Luto muna tayo ng chicken grill. Yan ah. Hindi pa ready sa pagbali. More heat. Yan. Luto ako ng panihapon. Or hapunan guys. Almost 8 o'clock na dito guys. Pero tingnan nyo. Parang 8:40 na. Pero mayroon pang araw guys. Yun. Yan na si RJ. Bonus from the Paybell. RJ. Go eat RJ. No. Ito. Mayroon pang araw guys. Parang 5 o'clock sa Pilipinas. But dito almost 8 o'clock na. Yun oh. Yun ang mountain guys. Mayroon pang maliit na snow doon. Ang gandang weather today dahil hindi na malamig. Parang 80 degrees na dito. Gusto kong mainit dahil hindi ko sanay sa lamig. What you doing? Come here. Okay, tingnan na natin ang aking chicken. Yan. Okay. Ang laki tong chicken na to guys. Yan. Oops. Na-slice ko guys dahil para maluto ang sasunod. Yan. Kung gusto mayroong red. So kung luto na luto. Oh, it pulled down. Okay guys. Okay guys, tingnan natin kung luto na ba. Oo, not yet ready. Yan, almost na. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, parang luto na. You know, I taste guys. Tilaw sa ta guys. Parang luto na. Harap. Check. I-cook na. Yan. Yes. Ready now the beans? Yes. Kainan na. Parang cook na. Okay, give me a plate please, honey. Yan. Cook. It's cooked na. Here's the plate. So guys, oh. Tara! Oops. Yan. Luto na guys. So yummy chicken grilled. Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Yan, ang sarap ng chicken ko. Grilled chicken. Yan, kakain na tayo mamaya. Okay. There is. Heavy, honey. Tara! Turn off na. Turn off na natin to. Dahil wala na tayong niluto. Okay. Na hit-pasok na tayo sa loob guys. Tarang! Tarang, tarang! Okay. Yan! Ang chicken.
You coming in? Cut it in small
Yep, this mine, honey, have salt that I put.
Okay.
It's the chicken. Looks delicious. RJ, chicken, RJ.
That's it.
With this. Oh, have toasted bread.
Yeah. Chicken's good.
This cook now.
It's moist.
Yep.
That's the dry.
This cook now, the beans, daddy.
I turned it off already.
Oh, it's already cooked. There he is. Kapag mag-grill kami, mayroong beans too. Dahil yan ang paborito ni daddy. Yung chicken at saka beans. Yan. Guys, kainan na tayo, guys. Kain na tayo. RJ.
So this Williams Brothers barbecue sauce
Yeah, barbecue sauce.
from Georgia.
Yeah, picture. Here he is.
Good. That's it.
Yan, and
Toast.
toast, daddy. Yan lang ang dinner namin. Okay, guys. Kainan na tayo. Okay, guys. That's it for today. Our grilling chicken. Kung na-enjoy kayo, guys, huwag niyong kalimutan sa pag-subscribe ng channel ko para ma-notify kayo sa sunod na video na ina-upload ko, guys. So, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye!